Welcome back, my name's Jason, better known as the Sin City Bartender. Today we are continuing a series where I recreate all the drinks from Oga's Cantina at Disneyland and Disney World. Today's drink is Yub Nub Juice. This is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. The recipe is really simple. I'm gonna list it in the description like I always do. It begins with Malibu's Pineapple Rum, Sailor Jerry's Spiced Rum, citrus juices, and then passion fruit. Very simple, very delicious. Let's make one. To get this drink started, we're already doing a substitution. They call for Malibu Pineapple. It's pretty common out here. It's not that I couldn't find it, it's just that I already have Bacardi Pineapple. Plus, it's a little bit stronger, not as sweet. Malibu Pineapple is around 21%, this is 35. So we're just gonna do an ounce of this in here. Next, instead of the Sailor Jerry Spiced Rum, we're gonna go with the classic Captain Morgan Spiced Rum. I have a feeling more people are gonna have this on hand than Sailor Jerry's anyway. The next ingredient is Disney trying to be sneaky, a little bit fancier again. They call for citrus juices. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that's probably just orange juice and lime juice. They could have said that. The citrus juices does sound a little bit fancier. I don't think it's anything more than that based on what I've tried. We're gonna go with it, see how it works out. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of lime juice, a full ounce of orange juice. The next ingredient calls for passion fruit. Now, not passion fruit juice. This might be cheating a little bit by using just juice. I don't often see passion fruit out here, and when I do, I don't know if they're ripe or not because I don't know anything about passion fruit. So I think 1 ounce of passion fruit juice is gonna be easier for most people to get. By the way, if you can't tell, this is Welch's passion fruit juice. Highly, highly recommend. And now we add our ice. And we shake. Now this is a tiki style drink, so they serve it in a mug, probably over crushed ice. I'm using some pretty small ice. It's not quite crushed, but it's gonna do the job for a tiki drink. Instead of their mug, I'm just using a mason jar. I always try and use clear vessels so you guys can see the color. That way if you make it at home, you know you're doing at least some of it right. Now the color is spot on with what you'd see at Disney. Let's try it. Whew. That's delicious. I mean, spot on with what's at Disney. I know I said that in the most recent video when I did the Best Fin Fizz, but this is identical. I mean, it's a really simple drink. I'd say the strongest flavor is definitely the pineapple, which is a little bit surprising because there's no pineapple juice in there, remember. It's just pineapple rum. Defeats everything in there is the most powering flavor. 10 out of 10, if you're gonna make one of the drinks from this series, this is the one you need to be making, Yub Nub Juice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you come back, see the rest of the cocktails, but for now, I'm out.